Hello children, this video is for class 6 subject English Honeysuckle. Poem The Wonderful Words.
Imagine a world without language. All humans speak at least one language. The words we speak bring out our thoughts. Students, without language, we cannot share our thoughts. All humans speak at least one language to share their thoughts. Every mind has thoughts. People are constantly trying to translate their thoughts into words. The poet wants these attempts to continue. No thought should die for want of proper words. English is a wonderful language, and trying to find suitable words for your thoughts is a wonderful game. New thoughts are always coming. New thoughts are always coming. Many beautiful thoughts have not yet found expression. Let everyone try to give his thoughts a body of proper words. It means हर मस्तिष्क में विचार होते हैं. लोग अपने विचारों को शब्दों में अनुवादित करने का प्रयत्न लगातार करते रहते हैं. कवि चाहते हैं कि ये प्रयत्न चलते ही रहें. उचित शब्दों की कमी के कारण कोई विचार न मरे. अंग्रेजी एक अद्भुत भाषा है और अपने विचारों के लिए उचित शब्द खोजने का एक शानदार खेल है. नए विचार सदा आते रहते हैं. बहुत से सुंदर विचार अभिव्यक्ति नहीं पा सके हैं. हर व्यक्ति को चाहिए कि वह अपने विचारों को उपयुक्त शब्दों का शरीर देने का प्रयत्न करे. मीन्स उसे समझाने का प्रयत्न करे. In next stanza, the poet says that words are the food and dress of thoughts. Words are the food and dress of thoughts. They supply the thought its body and energy. Everyone wants to hear something new and beautiful. The thoughts are imprisoned in our mind. We can liberate them only with the help of suitable words. Who knows, there may be some splendid and original thought of your mind waiting for proper words. It means शब्द विचारों के भोजन और वस्त्र हैं. वे ही विचारों को उसका शरीर और ऊर्जा प्रदान करते हैं. हर व्यक्ति कुछ नया और सुंदर सुनना चाहता है. विचार हमारे मस्तिष्क में कैद है. उचित शब्दों की सहायता से ही हम उन्हें मुक्त कर सकते हैं. कौन जाने आपके दिमाग में भी कोई शानदार और मौलिक विचार हो जिसे उचित शब्दों की प्रतीक्षा है. सो चिल्ड्रन, इस पोयम में यही बताया गया है कि व्यक्ति बिना लैंग्वेज के अपने थॉट्स को, अपने विचारों को किसी व्यक्त नहीं कर सकता है. बिना लैंग्वेज के हम अपने विचारों को, अपने भावों को दूसरे के समक्ष प्रस्तुत नहीं कर सकते हैं. Now let's do exercise. First is, with your partner, complete the following sentences in your own words using the ideas in the poem. Complete the following sentences in your own words using the ideas in the poem. First is, do not let a thought shrivel and die because. So here we can write, you do not know how to say it. Do not let a thought shrivel and die because you do not know how to say it. Second is, English is a dash with words that everyone can play. English is a wonderful game with words that everyone can play. Next is, one has to match dash. One has to match the words to the brightest thoughts in one's head. Words are the dash of thought. So here we will write, words are the food and dress of thought. Next exercise. In groups of 4, discuss the following lines and their meanings. हमें ये जो poems के lines लिखे गए हैं उसका meaning बताना है कि क्या meaning show कर रहा है. First is, all that you do is match the words to the brightest thoughts in your head. So the given lines mean that when someone has a thought in one's head and doesn't know how to say it, one should just use English words to pick the most accurate words that express one's thought in the best possible way. Number 2. For many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. So, through these lines, the poet says that there are so many beautiful things that have never been written. It is wrong to perceive that everything that is good has already been said by someone or the other. Next, and everyone's longing today to hear some fresh and beautiful thing. So these lines means a fresh thought or idea is always welcomed by people as everyone is waiting for it. And the last one is, but only words can free a thought from its prison behind your eyes. The human mind is a huge treasure where all the thoughts and ideas take birth. To express those thoughts or ideas, only words can help. Do the exercise in your English notebook and learn it.